Today is Saturday, March the 15th, 2025, about 8:13 in the morning. And you see I'm showing you a number 15. Why am I doing that? Well, because this is our campsite spot out here at San Angelo State Park. And this is our space. And when I show this to you, this should blow you away, okay? This here, where I'm standing at now, this is the main road. And it goes down that way, it goes off to the right, goes up to the other end of the park. Those are some camping spots over there. But why am I walking away? Well, that'll become evident here in just a second. This right here that you're looking at, this is where we pull in off the road into our spot. So I'm going to go down here to the far corner just to show you what I'm talking about here. There, I'm on the far corner. You see that? What you're looking at is our space. All of that, all the way over to in through there. Okay? All of this. So you see, look how far away from the truck that I am. And of course the trailer is behind that. You can see we have this whole section here. So I mean, we could park the truck over here if we chose to. Or if we had several other vehicles, we could park them all here. So you cannot complain about parking space. You can't complain about ground space here. Out there is the lake. And you can see it's a sunny day today. It has been so windy since yesterday. It's not even funny. It's going to be windy starting again at 10 o'clock today. You see we got a bunch of prickly pear there. We've got this tree. And then we have, and every spot has one of these. You have this covered spot with this concrete picnic table, and you can see there's a 15 on the side of that to show you. Same camp spot, and you can see down here is a on the ground grill, if you will, and then a stand-up one there that you get here. Now this spot, just like so many of the others and most of the others that we have stayed in so far and that we will stay in, is just electric and water. There is no sewer. There obviously is a dump station, and I will be there in a little bit. Anyway, we have been here for 8 days. We came last Friday, and this is Saturday, as I said. You can see right here is your hookups. There's electric. There's the water. So let me show you. Starting with that, you see I'm on the 30 amp, but there is a 50 amp. There's a couple of 110s there. And so you've got whichever you want to use. The water hookup there. And then you see I've got the trailer back here, but you can see that look. I mean, if we wanted to, we could come back another 2+ feet if we wanted to. But this, all this space, I mean, as you see here from the road this way back to me, and there's a dumpster right there, so it's easy to go dump your trash. But literally all of this right here is ours. I mean, this is the biggest space that we have ever had. And it's amazing. It's quiet out here. There is no Wi-Fi, I can tell you that, down here at all. TV stations, I just put my antenna down, but I picked up 22 stations, and 3 or 4 of them did not work. I just seen a deer run down there across the road. But yeah, so basically about 18 or 19 channels worked here. Very good, very clear. San Angelo is just right over there. I mean, the convenience that you get here for getting places is almost insane. San Angelo is a town of 100,000 people, but it is laid out in such a way that getting around, I mean, from here to go to pretty much the furthest point on the other side of town might be 20 minutes. And when you're in town, I mean, your average drive is going to be 5 to 10 minutes from downtown to just about anywhere. And, you know, and they've got so many things here. They got a Sam's Club, they got Walmart, they got things like Best Buys, all kinds of restaurants, you name it, and they pretty much got it. All kinds of stores, thrift stores and stuff like that if you're into that. I mean, just everything. So it's super, super convenient. It's quiet out here. It's dark. It's peaceful. There has been no trouble, No noise, no loud people of any kind, any sort. We have sat out here and spent hours and hours and hours sitting out here. In fact, my wife had a hammock from that post to that tree set up that she got to lay in several different times. And they don't care for you doing that. She had the tree strap, so the tree wouldn't hurt at all. And as long as you do that, you don't nail or screw anything to it, then, you're good. Other than that, I'm not sure what else to tell you. It's been a great spot. And it's a nice park. I would gladly come back here again. San Angelo is a pretty good town from what I have seen overall, and I would not hesitate to come back here, and I will honestly say that I will miss it somewhat while we're gone. But we have to move on, as we've got reservations everywhere, so we only have a certain number of days to stay in each place. But hope you enjoy this review of mine, and hope you like this space here. Again, this is space 15, but a lot of these are like this space right here, or even bigger in some cases. But if there's any really bigger, I haven't seen much of them. But all of them are big, and you're far away from everybody. I mean, you have solitude, you have peace, you have quiet, and I don't know what else you can ask for. So, hope you liked it. Take care of yourself, and I will see you on the next review.